to my channel, The World of Arts, and today, as you can see, I'm drawing a cute little teddy bear. So excited! So let's grab a pencil, pen, whatever you need to draw, and let's get started. Your first thing is that make its face like teddy bear's soccer facing. It's going to be circle. So let's draw it. 1, 2. So I have drawn its face, and now I'm going to draw the ears. Like this is the ears, and now let's make the eyes. Like this. Like this, like this, like this, like this, and make a cutesy little smiley, like this. Now I'm going to be coloring this cutesy little smiley. So first, the eyelashes and the eyes. Like this, and the same thing goes here. And like this. So now take green and color this part like this. So guys, I have drawn my beard, eyes, and now let's color the ears inside. Like this. And now guys, I'm going to make the body. Like this, and now I'm going to making the legs. First, I'm making this line, and first I'm going to making the the arms. Like this, and now let's make it darker. Let's make a little bit of chubbier, like this. Like this. And now I'm going to be making the belly. Like this. And first coloring the body. Like this. And like this. And then I'm going to be taking a red color and coloring this. Like this. And then I'm going to be taking brown and color it a little bit lighter. And same thing to you, a little bit lighter. And then make it darker and color here in the body like this, and like this. And now the body like this. And like this. It's looking a little weird, but now I'm going to be darkening it. Like this. Like this. Like this. And now the heart. Like this. So I feel looking a little weird, I know, but it's not going to look weird when I'm done. Guys, I have drawn like the legs, and I'm going to making it darker. It's like making like this, taking it up like this and like this. And I have also drawn this, and I'm going to be coloring it. Like this. Then take some colors. Like this. And I'm coloring the body. Like this. Like this. And then like this. Like this. Like this. And like this. And now I'm going to do the pink and coloring the nose. So guys, I have drawn my this, and now coloring this and this. So guys, I have drawn my teddy bear. I think it looks good, but I have done a mistake with the body. But I still think I have make it a little bit darker. You can always make it a little lighter. And I hope I see you in the next video. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And bye.